Welcome scalpers, Reese Cataval here, ultimatescalper.com. Looking at the NQ 1 minute early pre-market on the West Coast. This is the Ultimate AI Plus. We're getting an alert. Now we're filled. We're in a selling range up here. That's what this row stands for. This little red mark says take the next sell signal. And I'll bring a stop in 120 bucks. Now, this trade didn't work right here, but a few minutes later it did. So 1 minute, if you got to be patient on the 1 minute, it might not happen on the actual bar you want it to. A couple minutes later, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of thing. So I'll bring my stop into 180. Everything red down here. So I'm good. If you go to Ninja Trader, you'll see the same thing over here. It's a nice trade, nice move down. Reacting with the ultimate zones now. Now I don't have that on the trading view version, and we're getting a buy signal here on the Ninja version. Let's check out trading view. Here's that same buy, and it just stopped me out. Now the buy worked for a little bit here. Nothing on the filter says take that buy, but if you wanted to, you could have scalped off this signal right here. Now, just because it's coming back down doesn't mean this buy didn't work. Let's put a buy order right where that first signal would have been filled at. So with the Ultifusion filter, you can play it safe by just waiting for these take the next sell signals. There's also another filter here, take the next buy signal. Take the next buy signal. There's another one down here on this row that says take the next buy or sell as well. All right, we did not get filled. This probably would have worked here the first time around. We were in this short trade. Then this is the trading view platform. All right, I'm buying right here with all these signals. And I'm going to make it risk free right now, 60 bucks, stop. 100 bucks stop. Now let's say you got in over here and you didn't get out, but you still held it. That's 1, 2, 3 minutes later, you're making money. 3 minutes. Okay, 1 minute, you got to give it a little bit of time. All right, I'm going to cash in $200 stop. If I get stopped out, who cares? Hit the like button and subscribe to see more of this. All right, price continuing higher. I'm going to move my stop up because I want to be done for the day soon. Everything green down here. And we bought in this blue block area, which is a buying area. We're stopped out. Here is a possible sell. So we had two good trades in a row. We have an alert, and it did hit my order. Nothing down here says take the next sell. Okay, this is me just taking the signal off Ultimate AI Plus. We are 1 minute, so you got to give it a few minutes to actually happen. Here's another signal. All right, went a little sideways here, but multiple selling signals, and I could get out anytime, make it risk free, or scalp some money here. Here's a little buy line. We're already going short, so it's always a good place to put your stop loss. If I wasn't in a short, I would put a buy order there. But right now, I got to manage this short. Let's make it risk free. Let's put a $45 stop in here. Just get out. Now, if you do think it's going to go down further, you can put another sell here at this signal candle breakout. But there is a buy possibility here, and the longer term is green. So I'm going to be ready for a breakout here or a breakout here since we're sideways, a couple of inside candles here. So now we're starting to turn red on both. And I'm filled on that short breakout of the signal candle. If you want to be conservative, put your stop on that green line above there. All right, sometimes you just should have left things alone. Let's make it risk free. And this is what we hope for, a runner after we get in. So $375 stop right here. Did you get plenty of red signals up here? Yeah, you did. We started to get multiple reds down here. Plenty of time to react to it. Hit the like button, and if you like this kind of thing, I make a couple videos a week, and you can really learn stuff from it. So subscribe. Could have a move up, and we did, and it's just stopped me out. That was a nice move. A couple of nice moves this morning so far. We are on the TradingView platform. This is Ultimate AI Plus. Here's those moves on NinjaTrader. Same beautiful moves. Getting an alert here, a possible buy right into resistance. I don't know that I'm going to take these. Over here on TradingView, it does say take the next buy. Take the next buy right here, so we will do that if it happens. We do have some alerts. No entry yet. We do have a fusion block saying a buy is imminent. We do have a take the next buy on the filter. We don't have a next buy yet, so we're waiting on a next buy. NinjaTrader has multiple buys right here. However, they are going right into the ultimate zones and more resistance. Back on TradingView, we no buy trigger yet. We have an arrow here that says take the break out of this. It did not break out of the previous. We don't take that. We didn't break out of the green line here. We don't take it. We can take the break of the signal candle here. Looks like we're going sideways. We did get triggered on, we did get a fill on the break of the signal candle here. It is going sideways, so it's going to be maybe a little tricky. On NinjaTrader here, see we're going into resistance. The ultimate zones. Back on TradingView, was profitable a little bit. They're still holding it. All right, I'm going to make it risk-free now. So the signal did work here. Take the next buy. We took it, and now it's shooting up. You got to give it time to work. Now it's a risk-free trade. Let's make it an even 200. $255 stop. All right, you've seen every trade I'm taking this morning. Hope you like Ultimate AI Plus for Trading View and the Ultifusion Filter. These are two separate indicators. Starting to get into the selling zone. So I'll tighten up at 1,000. And I'm stopped out with that quick move down. Here is the move on Ninja. The green arrow right here. Buy line broken here. Some bounces off of the ultimate zone, but then it finally broke through and continued higher. I have my buffer tick offset here. I can either take it here or wait for the offset.
Order filled.
Take this trade on Ninja. Remember, it's 1 minute candles. Give it a second to react. It's got all this distance to travel down to with nothing in its way. Big move up. It's got to pull back to roughly around here, maybe. I can make it risk-free at any time or just get out. Big move up, big move down. Bouncing off the ultimate zone right here. You
Stop
see that, how
filled.
it hit that and bounced right back? Doesn't mean it's not going to continue down. Just going to react to it. So if you're a scalper like me, that was a quick scalp right here, bouncing off the zone, a couple of signals. There you go. You've seen every trade I've taken on TradingView and NinjaTrader. Here's that move on TradingView. We got the fusion block here. Take the next sell. Here's an entry. Here's another one. And there you go. I try to make it really easy for everybody. Just follow the instructions. Now here's the 5-minute chart. Still on NQ, same day, 5-minute. We're walking the blue line here. Great move here on the 5-minute. Great move here on the 5-minute. You could make money here on the 5-minute with this move. It's not a loser. Great move here. Here you had to wait 15 minutes maybe. You'll notice we have a lot of wicks here going into the blue line. Do have an alert telling me it could be a buy right here. I mean, if it breaks through here, I will take that. Right now, I'm just watching.
Order filled.
All right, we did get filled on the 5-minute. Make it risk-free anytime. I mean, not every scalp is going to be a huge runner. But these 5-minute signals are really good. I mean, I like them. Remember, I made this indicator for my style of trading. It's up to you whether it's going to suit your style of trading. All right, $1,000 on NinjaTrader. You see me make 1,000 on TradingView using the plus and pro indicators. I am calling it quits after
Stop
this.
filled.
Oh man, I'm just short of 1,000. Back on TradingView, I had put an order in on the 1-minute. We had all these buy signals here. Starting to enter a selling area. Cool, stopped out, and I'm done for the day. Seen every trade we've taken on TradingView and Ninja, Ultimate AI Pro, Ultimate AI Plus, Ultifusion Filter.